Hello everyone! Today we'll be trying on these press-on nails from SP Salon Perfect Luxe nail set. I got these from Walmart. I've tried another set before, so this will be my second time trying on this specific brand. So this one has 24 nails, a nail file, and professional nail glue. And let's see what the directions are. So these are glue-on nails. So it says clean and lightly buff nail. Select a nail tip that fits your natural nail. Apply a thin, even coat of glue to the underside of the nail. Place nail tip over natural nail and hold firmly for 10 to 15 seconds. Then trim nails to desired length and shape. Okay, so I'm probably gonna be adding glue to both my natural nail and the fake nail so it'll last longer. So let's see. What we have in here. Okay. Nail glue. Nails and the buffer nail file. Okay. So you want to make sure nails are trimmed and they're cut and they are dry so the glue will stick on. I use nail polish remover and that dries up the nails as well. Something that's missing in here that's in other press-on nail kits is a cuticle pusher like this, or you can get a metal one as well. So after you're done prepping your nails, you want to make sure you push back the cuticles all the way for all the nails. And then you want to buff out the nails a little bit so everything is able to stick on better. Then you pick the nails that fit your nail and lay them out before you start putting on the nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out the nail sizes for my nails and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So I organized all the nails that are my sizes. And also I buffed them out a little bit at the tops over here because some of them during manufacturing have some uneven edges, so I just evened those out and I cut the top of the nail glue off so it'll be easier for the nail to come out. And last time that I used this brand of nails, it lasted me 5 days before one of the nails came off. I had to glue it back on. So if you don't want to use this nail glue from the brand, you can always use other nail glues that might be stronger, that will make your nails last longer. So, okay, let's begin. So what I'm going to do is take the nail, put the glue on the nail and then on my natural nail, and then put them together. Stick them on and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and move on. I'm gonna go from my pinkies all the way to my thumb at the end so that I have my index and thumbs on both sides to work with when putting these on. So let's begin. Okay, we are done. So at the end, I just like to reinforce the nails whenever I can, just to make sure they're stuck on really good. And I try to not wash my hands for at least 30 minutes or even to an hour. It's good. If there's any residue of glue, you can always clean it off with acetone or nail polish remover. But yeah, I think these are beautiful. I like these nails. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if there's any other tutorials you'd like me to do, you can always write down in the comments if there's anything you like to see. So, hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!